You measured the heights of 30 trees in a forest, and the average came out to 14.2 meters. That single number is the only thing you know about the entire forest. So, how sure are you about it? If you went back tomorrow and measured the different 30 trees, would you get exactly 14.2 again? Of course not. The number would wiggle. The real question is, by how much? Imagine you could repeat the whole experiment over and over in parallel universes. Each universe collects its own 30 trees, and each one hands you a slightly different sample mean. If you placed all of those means on a number line, they would form a little cloud around the true average, and the width of that cloud is exactly the uncertainty you want to know. Statisticians call this cloud the sampling distribution. It is the dream object. Once you have it, you know everything about how reliable your number is. But here is the problem. You only get one universe, one sample, one number. The sampling distribution is forever out of reach. So here is the magical idea. Take that one sample and treat it as if it were the entire population. Then draw a new sample from it, the same size, but with replacement. So some trees get picked twice, some get skipped, some show up 3 times. This new sample is called a Bootstrap Resample. It is built from nothing but the data you already have. Formally, you sample x star 1 through x star n from the empirical distribution f hat n, which is just a fancy way of saying pick uniformly from your original sample with replacement. Now do that not once, but hundreds of times. Each resample gives you a new mean x bar star 1, x bar star 2, all the way up to x bar star b. Stack them all into a histogram, and something remarkable happens. This histogram, built entirely out of your single original sample, has almost exactly the same shape and width as the true sampling distribution you could never see. The Bootstrap is approximating the dream object for free. Once you have the Bootstrap distribution, the rest is easy. The standard error is just the standard deviation of all those Bootstrap means. And to get a 95% confidence interval, you do not need any normal distribution assumptions, no z-scores, no formulas. You just throw away the bottom 2.5% and the top 2.5% of the Bootstrap means, and the range you have left is your interval. That is it. Honest uncertainty straight from the data. You might be wondering why on earth this should work at all. The answer is in the empirical distribution. With 10 data points, your empirical CDF is a jagged staircase, barely resembling the truth. But with 100 points, it tightens up. And with 1,000, it is almost indistinguishable from the real thing. Your sample, as small and humble as it looks, is actually the best window you have onto the population. And resampling from it is the closest thing to time travel statistics will ever offer you. And that's basically it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one. Bye bye.